Good evening, everyone. So today we'll discuss about the basketball games, rule regulation, and everything. So basketball first it's discovered in America. Dr. James Naismith. Dr. James Naismith discovered this game basketball, and after that it spreads all over the world. Now in all maximum country they like to play the basketball game. Okay. So basketball game, it's like the field is rectangular field, okay, and this length it is 28 meter and wide it is 15 meter, and in the center point one line is there. It is called center line, and here one circle is there. Its radius is 1.80 meter. Okay, from here the jump referee throws the ball into the air, and both the team try to snatch the ball, and that's why the game start with the jump ball. It is called jump ball. Both side, okay, both side with the help of one pole, one basket ring is there. Okay, and this basket ring is attached with a fiber board to help to put easily the basket. Okay, so here another one restricted area is there. This is the restricted area where you can't stay more than 3 seconds. Playing time maximum 3 seconds you can stay there. Okay, you can stay there 3 seconds. After that you leave the restricted area. Then once again come in, then you can out. Okay, this is always you have to remember. This is the restricted area. This side also, this is restricted area. Both side, what D is there, that is the 3 meter line. Okay, this is a 3 meter line. From behind this D, if you are able to put into the basket, then you will get 3 points. Inside the D, if you are able to put the ball into the basket, then you will get only 2 points. Okay, and when restricted area, if you will do any foul, then from here one free throw will be given. You have to stand behind the line and you have to throw 2 shots. You will get basically from there. If you are able to put from standing here, then you will get only 1 point. Okay, this side also, that is radius also 1.80 meter. You have to stand here, and the ring, the basket ring, basically it's kept on the pole from the ground. It is distance almost 10 feet. Basically, 5 players played here. Okay, the basketball court, and 5 players played, and 7 players is extra. Total 12. Main player is 5. Okay, and you can substitute the player within the timings. The timing is here in the game. It's 10 minutes plus 2 minutes. Okay, then once again 10 minutes, then 15 minutes. That is interval. Then once again 10 minutes plus 2 minutes gap. Then once again 10 minutes. Total 40 minutes game. Total 40 minutes game. It is the basketball game. Quarter of 4, 10, 10 and 10 minutes. If then also, if it is seen that after 40 minutes the match is tie, the score is level. Okay, score is level, both the team, then 5 minutes you will get extra time. Within 5 minutes, who will score maximum, that team will be declared as a winner. That is the basic rule of basketball game. Here basically the 8 officials required. Okay, 1 referee, 2 umpires, okay, scorer. Here the scorers role is very vital, because huge timing you have to see. It's like one is, first of all, 3-second rule. 3-second rule is there. What is 3-second rule? Number 1, 3-second rule is there, that in the restricted area you can stay maximum 3 seconds. If you stay more than 3 seconds, then referee will blow the whistle. Then you have to start the game once again from the sideline with side throw, free throw from here. Okay, this is the sideline and this is the end line of the basketball court. That is the 3-second rule. Then number 2, 5-second rule. 5-second rule, what is 5-second rule? 5-second rule means when you are doing dribbling, when you are going from this court to this court, okay, you are dribbling, you can't hold the ball with 2 hands more than 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds, you have to pass someone. Okay. That's mean as you hold the ball, you have to pass someone after dribbling. And you have to remember, both the hand you can't dribble. Both the hand you cannot dribble. With one hand you have to dribble. If both hand you will dribble, that is foul. Then from the nearest place, sideline, referee opposite team will get chance for free throw. Then number 3, that is 8-second rule also. What is 8-second rule? 8-second rule means if you are starting from this way to one side to another side, this is the center line. Center line you have to cross within 8 seconds. Okay, that means you can't kill the time. You have to come to that point for attack. And number 4 is 24-second rule. 24-second rule means within 24 seconds you have to put into the basket. You have to put into the basket, the basketball court. If it is rebound, if you are not able to put it rebound from the board, then within 7 seconds you have to try to put it. That means you can't kill the time. You have to play positively, positive game. You will try within 8 seconds you have to cross the center line. Then you have to try within 24 seconds to put it. If you are not able to put it that one, then opposite team will get chance. Then they will go to this court to that court within 8 seconds and 24 seconds. Within 24 they will try to put. Then it means positive game you have to play. You can't play negative game. You can't kill the time like the football or any others game. You try to kill the time. You play anywhere. Sometimes play back pass. You can come to your court back pass, but within 24 seconds you must try to put the ball into the basket. These are the simple rule of basketball games. Okay. If ball goes outside, then opposite team will get chance for free throw. Okay, from the corner. And if one team will score, then another team will start behind the basketball end line. That side they will start. Okay. And they will pass someone. These are the simple rule of basketball games. Okay. One leg maximum you can take one step. More than you cannot do that one. Otherwise it will be carried. Okay. Only layup time shot. When you do the layup shot, that time 2.5 step you can take. 2.5 step you can take and you can do the layup shot. Otherwise, only maximum 1 step with the ball you can go, not more than. Okay. These are the basic rules of basketball. Okay. And the famous player that was Michael Jordan was there, famous player of the basketball game. Okay. So all the English medium schools they like to play and they are preferring the basketball games. Okay, these are the rules. Thank you very much.